Okay guys, so I typically start my nighttime routine in my bathroom, and I always prep my hair for bed. And when it's straight, I normally wrap it when it's clean, but it's pretty dirty and oily right now, so I'm going to be putting it up into a bun, and I always use a satin scrunchie. And I'm also going to be tying my edges up with a satin scarf. So satin is the theme here. It's really good for your hair. It doesn't pull on it or tug on it. It reduces breakage, and it just keeps your hair healthy. Okay, so next I'm going to move to my shower and take a nice hot shower. I know hot showers are bad for you, but that's the only way I like to get clean. So I've been loving this Nivea Creme Soft Moisturizing Body Wash, and I've been loving the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. So after I get out of the shower, I'm going to go ahead and brush my teeth. I typically brush it again right before bed, but I like to also brush it right before my nighttime skincare. So my nighttime skincare has been pretty simple lately. I'm going to do a separate, thorough nighttime skincare routine, but right now I'm just going to breeze through it. So after I'm done with my skincare, I like to move on to my body care and moisturize my body. And I've been loving this Kiehl's Creme de Corpse Soy Milk and Honey Whipped Body Butter. And I like to top that off with coconut oil, of course. So after that, I'm gonna get some pajamas and put those on and head to the kitchen to make myself some tea. Of course, you guys know I'm obsessed with tea. I love tea. I drink tea every single day. So I've been loving the Yogi Ginger mixed with the Bigelow Lemon and Echinacea. I think that's how you say it, herbal tea. So I love that, and I actually like to have tea with my dinner. I don't really like to have anything cold at night. I just like all warm beverages, so I love tea. And I'm gonna heat up my dinner. I had some chili made. I made some chili the day before, so I'm just gonna heat that up on the stove. And chili is one of my favorite things to have during this time of year because it's like a warm and cozy dinner, and it's bomb. So that's what I'm gonna be having. So while I eat my dinner, I'm gonna cut on the fireplace and put on a Christmas movie, and of course light all my candles. So I love Four Christmases. It's one of my favorite movies to watch during this time of year. It's so funny. It came out years ago, but I recently started watching it the past like 3 years, and it's become a tradition now. So I love Four Christmases. So I'm gonna watch that while I eat my dinner. So after I eat my dinner, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick speed kitchen clean, if that's what you wanna call it. I hate going to bed with dishes in the sink. I just don't like the way it feels when I walk in my kitchen in the morning and it's not clean. So I like to go ahead and clean whatever pots and pans that we use that day. And any dishes that I don't like to put in the dishwasher, I will wash those. And just wipe down the counters and do like anything that needs to be done in the kitchen that's quick, that's not, typically a deep clean, like a quick clean. So I will do that. So after I'm done cleaning the kitchen, I will go ahead and start my bed prep. I always take half of the decorative pillows off my bed on the side that I'm sleeping, and I will leave the other ones on the other side because it just doesn't make sense to take all of them off. And I do sleep with a satin pillowcase, and I will change that out about every 2 days. So I'm going to change into a new satin pillowcase. And I like to apply more lip balm. I've been loving the LANEIGE vanilla flavor sleeping lip mask. So I'll apply that and then get my book that I've been reading. I've been loving the Sophie Kinsella Confessions of a Shopaholic series. Mostly I will alternate between a novel and a self-help book, but a novel is what I'm reading right now. So after I finish this, I'll move on to a self-help book. So yeah, that's it for my cozy winter nighttime routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have a great Christmas and a happy holiday. So thank you guys so much for watching.